Can you say hi to Gop Gop?
Hi.
Hi, Gop Gop. Can you say Gop Gop? Can you say Grandma?
Hi.
Say Grandma. Say Grandma. Do it. Yeah. Grandma's with Papa. Can you say hi, Papa? Can you say hi, Papa?
Hi.
Hi, Papa. Grandma's going to go on an airplane. She's going to be up in the sky. Ubu. Ubu. Hey, say hi to Papa. Ubu. Say hi to Papa. Oh, I'm a doggy. Hi, Papa.
Mama.
Hi, Grandma. Dog. That's right. Dog. Can you tell Grandma that you eat apples? How about applesauce? Can you tell her? Tell her.
Papa.
Can you say sauce?
Size.
Sauce. Apple sauce.
Papa.
Apple sauce.
Papa.
Yeah, Gop Gop's in the camera. That's why we wave. Can you smile?
Guys.
Can you wave? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Show her the bike.
Hi.
Oh, there's Daddy. Daddy's very grumpy.
Daddy.
Yeah. Want to show Gop Gop the Nolan's wound? Oh, there it is. That's skin. That's Hopi's mouth. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye, Grandma. Bye, Papa.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Say see ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya. That's right.